Market strategies. Today we are going to talk about the current status of the Nifty. As everyone's surprise, Nifty not only retained its previously gained values, it again climbed up 288 points from its previous close and closed at 16,929.60 at the end of today's trade closing time, which is in fact very, very impressive. Now, from its previous close yesterday, it gained 1.73 percentage, so which is equal to 288 points. As I have discussed in my previous video, that if there would be any positive sign for the economy recovery, the current sentiment of the market may change, and that's what happened today. And Nifty gained 288 points despite the increase in federal interest rate hike of 775 base points. People already know about this federal interest rate hike, but people were not sure about the number of base points, whether it was about 75 base points or 100 base points. People already prepared their mind, market also prepared itself for the federal interest rate hike. However, the meeting noticed an interesting aspect about the positive signs of economic recovery. Okay, it noticed all-time unemployment record high for 50 years of record high, and also at the same time, job vacancies are also high. So these two opposite points reflect some sort of moving and growth in the economy. So taking this as a positive sign, Nifty has gained 300, approximately 300 points from its previous close. Okay. So another point I would like to make here is European market as well as Asian market, they were almost flat despite the hike of 75 base points in the US federal interest rate hike. At the same time, due to the reinvestment of foreign institutional investors in our Nifty and in our Indian share market, Ruby has gained 15 paise and closed at 79.75 with respect to 1 USD at the end of the trade close today. So, which is another good sign that foreign institutional investors are looking for opportunities to put more money into our Indian share market. So that's why our rupee has gained 15 paise. Okay, so what would happen whether increase this increased nifty values will be sustained or not? That's the important question we have to answer. So the next target for nifty will be, so nifty still hasn't crossed the 200 days moving average, which is around 100 points up from the today's close. So from this 200 days moving average, it has to climb up to approximately 400 points to reach its first resistance. Okay, so the first immediate resistance comes from 17,250 to 17,350. If it breaks this first immediate resistance in the forthcoming days, it may definitely go up to the 17,000 17,800. That's another resistance coming in. Even if that is broken, then it will definitely will end up in 18,000 to 18,100 range. If positive signs are coming in and FII will start investing in Indian share markets, then NIFTY will show upward momentum as well as it will maintain the positive trend and will reach 18,100 within first first couple of weeks of August. I hope you enjoyed the information I have provided. So be patient and wait for opportunities. If you have if you are in a good position in profit, then book partial profit and then wait for another opportunity. So we are not sure how long it will sustain its upward trend. So be careful and be invested, be patient. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you very much.